Students, today we are studying addition of money. In previous class we studied conversion of rupees to paisa, paisa to rupees, then write in words and write in figures. Today we are going to study addition of money. You know, while we are adding exercise 2.2, page number 103. Page number 103. We are going to add, this is the symbol of rupees, then this is P. P means what? You can use the short form PS also or P also. While you are writing, you should keep some distance. बटा rupees और पैसे के बीच में थोड़ा सा gap छोड़ना है. Or you should write the digits. This A you can write in the book only, but B exercise you should solve in the CW. Now look here, teacher will show you 2-3 questions. 5 plus 5. 10. Carry 1. Carry 1 you can keep in your mind also. If you cannot understand, you can keep the like that one. Then you should put one circle. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Now there is no carry. 8 plus 2, 10. What is the carry? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. What is our answer? 50 rupees and 80 paisa. You see now? Now like that way, many questions are there. Here it is written 4 numbers. I will show you here 4 numbers. There is given the dots. While you are writing in CW, all dots will be in equal line. Then rupees, and this is the paisa column. Now look here, this all we are going to add it. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. What is the carry? 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8, 21. Carry, you don't write here 2. Carry, you should write here C. Then here you have to use the dot. Now again, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 10. There is no number. You should write here 10 and you should use the symbol of 10. Don't forget to use the symbol here. Here why we are not using? Because R and P is, it is written up. Here it is written one side. You should use the rupee symbol. Then after writing, I told you, you should check it 2 times. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21, carry 2. 5, 6, 8 plus 4, 12. So you should write here, while checking only you can understand our answer is correct or wrong. Understood? No? Now what is our answer? 12.10. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 times you have to check it. That's why first teacher showed there. Written which number? 10. So like that simple mistakes you will make. That's why you have to check how many times? 2 times. Now look the question number B. Then that you can do in the book only, students. Question number B, add. Yes, that you can do in the CWY. Question number B, add. There is not given the sufficient places. Look the questions. Rupees 9.75, comma, rupees 4.25 and rupees 6.10. 3 numbers are written, we have to add it. First you should write here rupees 9.75. Then which number? You should write the symbol here 4.25. Then rupees 6.10. Look here, teacher is used the some distance between. Thoda sa jagah chodna hai. Now you have to write the plus symbol. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Carry 1. Then by mistake here 11's place you will write 0. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Look here, 20. Now, we are written here, put the decimal for dots. Now, you should check it again. Why? Because we written the number is wrong, no? Exam time also, you have to check it 2 times in CW. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So, we are written here 0. And you should write here 1. That's why you have to check it 2 times. 9 plus 1, carry where you have to put? You should put the carry here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. What is our answer? Rupees 20.10. It is easy, no? Addition. I think you are studied in the which class also? Second class also, addition and subtraction. This year we are studying addition, addition word sum, then subtraction. Now, look question number. I will show you one without some paisa is not given, how to do. Look question number 6th. Rupees 104.10, comma, rupees 218.20, comma, rupees 426.60 and rupees 100 and rupees 100, the symbol of rupees. We are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are written. Now, first you should write here rupee symbol. 104.10. Use the distance. 218. 218.20. Next number, rupees 426.60. 426.60. What is written there? Last number, students, rupees 100. There is not written any point or dots. So, rupees 100. What you have to do here? You should write the dot here. You should write the 2 zeros. In paisa column, always you have to put the 2 zeros. When there is not written any paisa, you have to use 2 zeros. Now we are going to add. There is no number, put the 0. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. There is no carry, put the dots here. Now 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. There is no carry. Now, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Rupees 848.90. How many rupees? Rupees 848.90. I told you you have to check 2 times, no? You should always check it 2 times. Now addition over. Now we are going to study the word sums. Exercise 2.3. Look the word sum, students. Word sums, you know, we have to write down the step also. Open your book, page number 104. Question number 104. First question. Anu bought a notebook. She bought a notebook. Notebook for rupees 8.75 and a pen for rupees 5.50. How much did she pay for 2 months? How much did she pay for 2 months? 2 things, 2 items. She bought a notebook and she bought a pen. You know, along with your parents you are going for परचेसिंग द थिंग्स नो. सो पेन खरीदते, पेंसिल खरीदते, बहुत सारे चीज़ आप लोग पापा मम्मी के साथ जाकर खरीदते हैं ना. तो आपको मालूम है सारे चीज़ खरीदने के बाद शॉप ओनर विल गिव यू द बिल, देन हाउ एडिंग दिस ऑल things and they are giving like that. She bought a notebook and a pen. How much money she pay in all? So first steps, can you say first steps, easy steps, cost of notebook. What is the first step? Cost of notebook. Cost of a notebook. Don't forget to write the equal symbol. Here you should write the rupee symbol. 8.75. What is the second step? Cost of a pen. Second step is cost of a pen. What is the cost, students? Rupees 5.50. Rupees 5.50. Then how much she pay for 2 items? Then you can write total cost of how many items? 2 items. 2 items. These steps you can, from the question you can make cost of notebook, cost of pen, then how much she pay for the total cost for 2 items. You know what we have to do? We have to plus this number. Rupees 8.75, rupees 5.50. You have to plus these two numbers. Here 5, 7 plus 5, 12. Here dot carry 1. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. Rupees 14.25. 14 rupees 25 paisa they have to give. Easy, no? I think word sums are easy. Then question number second also same like Veena bought some vegetables and fruits. You should write the steps like that. Then you have to do homeworks. Now third questions. Raman bought a bicycle, second-hand bicycle. I will show you third question. Raman bought a second-hand bicycle. Bicycle. Its cost is written rupees 345 rupees. And he spent 86 for repainting. Rupees 86 for repainting. And rupees 75.85 on repairing. Then last, how much did he bicycle finally cost? What is the finally cost? Did you understand anything the meaning? रेमन ने एक पुराना बाइसिकल खरीदा, नॉट न्यू वन, ओल्ड वन. यू नो ओल्ड वन इज़ नॉट गुड. सो उसने क्या करा, फर्स्ट उसमें पेंटिंग करा. पेंटिंग के लिए 86 रुपीज़ खर्चा कर लिया. उसके बाद उसने बोला थोड़ा सा भी और ख़राब था, उसने रिपेयर कर लिया. रिपेयर के लिए इतना भी पैसा खर्चा कर लिया. फर्स्ट उसने साइकिल के लिए 340 रुपीज़ दे दिया. उसके बाद उसने पेंटिंग वापस पेंटिंग करा और रिपेयर करा. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू प्लस दिस ऑल नंबर. देन हाउ मच फाइनली कॉस्ट, आखिर उसको कितना रुपीज़ टोटल हो गया. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप कॉस्ट ऑफ ओल्ड बाइसिकल, कॉस्ट ऑफ a second hand bicycle, or you can write the short form cost of a bicycle. Cost of bicycle is equal to, What is the cost? Rupees 345. What is the second step? Amount spent for repainting. Look the question. In question it is written. You can write the same steps. Amount spent on repainting is equal to rupees 86. Step over. One more step. Amount spent on repairing. Amount spent on repairing. वापस repair कर लिया. Repairing. How much rupees he spent, students? Rupees 75.85. Therefore, last step, total amount spent. दैट उसकी मतलब उसने आखिरी में पूरा उसका कितना पैसा हो गई, बाइसिकल के लिए, रिपेंटिंग के लिए और रिपेयरिंग के लिए. वी हैव टू गोइंग टू ऐड हियर rupees 345. There is no, you should add the two zeros, or rupees 86.00. Then rupees 75.85. What we have to do? We have to plus these three amount. Then here 5, 8 point. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 7. Now what is the total cost, students? The total cost is 506.85 rupees. Here 3, first bicycle cost, then repainting cost, then repairing cost. Then you should add here this all the 3 amounts. Understood now? Then remaining 2 questions is there. We will do in the next class. Okay, students, bye.